I am at Windermere by Mary Kay, and this would be the Cholla floor plan that will be very similar to the plan that they will have at Canopy South. So here we are as we enter. I have main door behind me. To my left is the teen game room. I call it a flex room with the bathroom and secondary bedrooms on that end. Here is your open office den that can be enclosed if you'd like with double doors, or it can be, as they have it set here, opened. It says optional 12-foot ceiling. So these are 12 foot in this model. I believe the standard is 10 feet. Here's your formal dining. Opened up to the family room area. Eat-in kitchen area. Island facing out. Lots of cupboard. Lots of cabinets. Corner slider here to the backyard. Walk-in pantry there. Kind of the enclosed patio you'll see there. This is a nice double slider here. This lot does not appear as big as what is going to be set up for Canopy South. Those lots, as an average, should be about 10,100 square feet. To this end here is to the master quarters to my left. This model will feature the extension that you both had shared with me regarding the size of the bedroom. So it does deep this way. We've got a linen here. Beautiful walk-in shower. And this is a great size, long master closet. Shelves to my right. Very nice. Just so that you both know, this is very deep going there. It's very nice. Lots of space. As you can see, they've got the sitting area there. Plenty of space in here. As I come to my end here, from the master to my left here, this shows the fourth bedroom. But as you know, that if you're opting for that fourth car garage, this will be gone, to make that space for the laundry room and the the 4-car garage. And you'll have that full bath right here. This is the entry closet. We'll come down this way. This is the doorway to the garage. Usually it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. Great sized laundry room. I will head to this end of the home. Past this flex room, game room here. This here's another linen closet. Full bath, double sinks. Bedroom one over here. Great size. This is another room. It's hard to tell in this video, but it actually goes deep that way. It's very nice, that bay window. Just wanted to make sure this is a walk-in closet. Very nice size walk-in closet. Going to open this up for you so that you see that it is a linen, which is great for storage. Bedroom 2 over here with its other walk-in closet. This here is the Cholla plan, at least to show you that the master bedroom was extended. It does not show the 4-car garage. It is a 3 with the 4th bedroom, but overall you can probably vision some of the changes. It will have the slider on the one end from the eat-in kitchen, and then this double open slider here. So this is an upgrade to have the travertine style tile out here. Normally it would be like a cement, unless you want to upgrade. It's just to give you kind of an idea of their backyard. But I do love that this is closed in right here. Plenty of shade. When you open up these doors here, the beauty is during the right season, which is our winter, you can have that indoor-outdoor living feel.